Okay, dear students, in the previous class we discussed about the matter and atom. Here, in the previous class, you know the definition of atom. Atom is a minute particle of the element which can take part in chemical reaction. We can't see actually meaning of atom means indivisible. We can't divide that one indivisible. That one is known as atom. In the previous class, we discussed the atom and matter. Today, we want to discuss about the Dalton atomic theory. What he is given. Actually, Dalton atomic theory in the 1803, he discovered the atom. Before that, Indian philosopher, that is Conrad, he told about the atom. The matter is made up of very minute particle called paramanu, but he not published that. Later on in 1803, John Dalton, he discovered the atom and he published this. Therefore, now we are saying that who discovered the atom means John Dalton discovered the atom. What he given, John Dalton atomic theory, according to him, matter is made up of very tiny particles called atom. Very minute particles, it is called atom. This is the first Dalton atomic theory. And next one, atoms are indivisible. We can't divide very minute particles. Atoms are indivisible. That means we can't divide very minute particles. And the third one is atom cannot be created and not destroyed. We cannot create the atom and we can't destroy the atom. According to John Dalton theory, the atom cannot be created and not destroyed. And the fourth one, atoms of the same elements are identical in mass and other property. Atoms of the same element, that means the hydrogen, all the hydrogen atoms are identical. Sodium, all the sodium atoms are same, they are identical and they have the same property, then only it become an element. And next one, atoms of different elements differ in their masses and property. Different elements, for example, hydrogen and oxygen are the two elements. Hydrogen atoms properties are different and oxygen atom properties are different. Therefore, atoms of a different element differ in their masses. Mass is also different. Sodium atomic mass number is different. Calcium mass number is different. Mass number is also different and different on their property. These are the 5 points John Dalton given that John Dalton atomic theory. After that, we come to know that chemical symbols. How to write the symbolic shortened form of. For example, in our day-to-day life, we are saying that we are using the short form. Here, 120 elements are there, or 120 elements. We can't write hydrogen like that. The short form of writing, that is chemical symbol, means shortened form of a name of the element. To write very short form, that is the symbol. First person, alchemist, that means ancient chemist. Ancient chemists are known as alchemist. Alchemist is also trying to give the symbols of element, but these symbols are difficult and complicated symbols they are used. For example, if you want to write gold means gold, here copper means like this they are writing, and tin, like this is the tin. Like therefore they are using the difficult symbols. Later on, John Dalton is also give the symbols of the element. Finally, J.J. Berzelius, he introduced the modern system of the symbols. Modern system. Here 120 elements, already 120 elements we got. Therefore, he introduced the modern system of the naming of the element. How to name? The first one, he used the first letter. For example, hydrogen means H. Carbon, the first capital letter he used that. And the second one, if already he used the first letter, for example, carbon is C. And again calcium are there. Calcium is also starts from first letter C. Already we use the carbon. Carbon is the first letter C. And calcium, he used the first letter and second small letter. First letter is the capital letter and second one is small letter. the third one, some elements having the Latin name. For example, sodium. Actually it starts from S, but the symbol of sodium is not S. The Latin name of sodium is natrium. Therefore, we are writing Na. And calcium, Ca. And even you take the silver. Silver means start from S. But Latin name of silver is argentum. Mercury, it starts from M. It is not a Latin name of mercury is hydronium. Therefore, we are writing Hg. Some Latin name, according to their Latin name, you may write. Using these 3 points, J.J. Berzelius, he introduced the modern system of giving the shortened form of giving the symbols. And finally, we know that this J.J. Berzelius gave the modern system to write the symbol of the elements. And finally, the 4th point is atomicity. Atomicity means how many atoms are present in one molecule is known as atomicity of that element. Hydrogen molecules, 2 hydrogen combined together to form a one molecule. Therefore, atomicity of the hydrogen is 2. Ozone, 3 oxygen molecules combined together to form a one molecule. Therefore, atomicity of the ozone is 3. Based on that, the number of atoms present in a one molecule is known as one molecule of the element is known as atomicity. And first, a molecule it contains only one atom is known as monoatomic molecules. Sir, it contains only one atom. How we are considering molecule? Because they are stable elements. All the noble gases are stable elements. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. All these are the stable elements. They can exist only single atom. These are called monoatomic element. And the next one is a molecule should contains the 2 atoms. 2 atoms together become a one molecule is known as diatomic molecules. Diatomic molecule means in the one molecule it contains 2 atoms. 2 atoms together become a one molecule is known as diatomic molecule. Example, hydrogen. Hydrogen, one molecule it contains 2 atoms. Nitrogen, one molecule of nitrogen it contains 2 atoms. Similarly, nitrogen monoxide. Nitrogen monoxide, one nitrogen and one monoxide. 2 atoms together, one compound. It is also called as diatomic molecule. And then you take triatomic molecules means one atom, one molecule. It contains 3 atoms. Is a triatomic molecules. Example, ozone. And tetraatomic molecules. It contains 4 atoms in a one molecule. Is called example, phosphorus. All these tri and tetraatomic molecules are known as polyatomic molecules. That means a molecule it contains more than one atom is known as polyatomic molecule. This one is the atomicity of the element. Okay friends, today we are discussing about the Dalton atomic theory. Dalton atomic theory in the 1803 he given this statement: atom neither created nor destroyed. And symbol of the element, short form representation of the element is known as symbols. To write the very short form, first they tried to give the symbol of the element, but they are failed because the difficult and complicated symbols they are used. Alchemist in the ancient chemist. And later on, John Dalton, he gave the concept of the symbols, but he is also failed. And finally, in the J.J. Berzelius, he introduced the modern system of the element. Modern system of the naming of the element. Finally, he succeeded using this formula. And last one is atomicity. Atomicity means number of atoms present in a one molecule is known as atomicity. Monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecules and tetraatomic molecules. This is the enough. We shall next points we shall discuss in the next period.